In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use TextNow without paying. So technically, creating a TextNow account will allow you to use it for free and gives you a free number. First thing you need to do is visit the TextNow website. Choose Sign in with Google and log in with a Gmail account on your PC. Click Get Started on the TextNow website and then click Get a free phone number. And continue with Google again and select the same Gmail account. If you're not a US citizen, you have to use a VPN for that to work. Next, input an area code like 615 and then click Next. Then choose a number from the list provided and click Continue. The account setup will take a few seconds and you will receive a confirmation message with your new phone number. Your new phone number of TextNow will be displayed as 615 and the rest of the number. You can log into your new TextNow account on your phone using a strong VPN. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and enjoy your free number. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.